Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Base Roof Rack System for the 2019 through 2022 and likely beyond Audi E-Tron with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo Load Bars set of 2 offered in silver or black, and the vehicle specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber base pads and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. Now these parts have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers shown in the instruction sheet to help with the installation. And I'll demonstrate the installation on one of the feet. So first I'll remove the outer cover, and you'll notice there is a threaded post inside. Now, the parts for the fitting kit not only have numbers assigned to them, but they also have letters. And the letters will guide you in the order of installation, starting with letter A, the inner side rail bracket. And then letter B is the base pad, and that just presses to the underside of the foot. And then letter C is the outer portion of the side rail bracket. And then the barrel fastener will hold those parts in place during assembly. Now the next step would be to install the foot onto the load bar. Here we have the Thule WingBar Evo Load Bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar, which is accessed by opening the end cap, allowing you to slide in the appropriate hardware to mount certain accessories directly to the top of the bar for a very clean, integrated connection. Now I'll take off the end cap, and on the underside of the bar you have the slot that holds the foot, and within the slot you have a measuring device with numbers. The numbers are not referenced in the instruction sheet. However, you can use those numbers to help in centering the load bars over the roof of the vehicle. So I'll go ahead and slide the foot into the slot, and at this point you should put the end cap back into place. That snaps on and will hold the foot onto the bar so that when you're maneuvering the bar with the loose foot over the vehicle during install, it won't slip off the end of the bar. Okay, and the next step would be to tighten the barrel fastener, and Thule provides a tool with the foot pack to tighten that fastener. And when you're tightening, this will tighten not only the side rail brackets, but also it'll tighten the foot to the bar, both simultaneously. Now this tool has a feature where when you've reached the maximum tightness, it'll click. And there's the click. Okay, so on the underside of the bar, you'll notice there's also the exposed track that's left there. We want to fill that in with rubber that's included with the load bar, and that's just cut to measure to fill in that gap and to maintain the good aerodynamic performance on the underside of the bar. Now we can go ahead and put the outer cover back into place with a click. And then there's a plastic plug. Just give that a quarter turn to hold that plastic cover in place. And if you want, there is an option to upgrade from that plastic plug and purchase a set of matched Thule lock cylinders, and those can be purchased separately in matched sets and quantities large enough for locking up all 4 of your feet, but also in sets that are matched so that you can lock up your accessories, all using just the 1 key number. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System. This product, along with the full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. Consider subscribing to our channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. And if you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.